IIT. So welcome to Relay and High Voltage Lab, and in today's experiment we are going to look into the operating characteristics of microprocessor based over voltage and under voltage relay. You can see over here operating characteristics of microprocessor based over and under voltage relay. So now the parameter is over here voltage. Okay. So in the previous videos you might have seen the current parameter with electromechanical based and microprocessor based over here. On extension we are going to see the microprocessor for voltage parameter over and under. So likewise there are two panels over here. One is my relay panel over here and the injection source kit panel over here. The parameter is voltage. Okay. So here you can see the different connections. One is my auxiliary supply voltage over here, and this is my voltage source which is coming from the injection kit over here, and the relay contact cable which is connected to the relay contacts in the injection source kit panel. Okay. So there are few settings in the relay panel that first we will have a look into it over here. So increment and decrement keys over here, set and reset. Here you have to press both start and set button, release start and then release this. It goes to the setting mode. So now it is rated for 380, you have to select this, and then the over voltage range is from 1.01 to 1.30. Right now I have set for 1.04. The meaning over here is 1.04 times the input voltage. This I will show while conducting. Similarly, one more setting over here is definite time. So between 0 to 300 range we need to select any one particular value. We have taken 5 over here. Okay, so and going to the high set condition, this we are not going to have a setting over here. The next parameter is under voltage. So under voltage range is from 0.5 to 0.99. You can see the screen over here. Right now we have set for 0.85 times my rated current over here. So and one more parameter we need to set is time. So this is the 5 second over here. Okay, so these are the basic settings that we have to do in the relay. Rest of the settings no need to disturb over here. Just you can press it or escape over here. So now we move on to the injection kit panel over here. You can see there is a display for each phase R, Y and B. Same thing R, Y, B dimmer is placed over here. So we need to adjust. So initially, so to start with we will do for over voltage condition. So each phase we have to set for 220 volts. Okay. So using this knob we are going to see, vary it and keep it 220 volts in the display screen. Is it, hope it is visible in the thing. So now, so one of the phase I have set for 220. Okay. So R phase is done. Next one is Y phase. I am increasing now. You can see gradually I am increasing and setting for 220 volts. Okay. So plus or minus 1 volt, this is okay. And now we are going to change it for B phase. Okay. This is the basic setting that has to be done. Okay. So this setting has to be done initially. So R phase, Y phase and B phase, it is set for 220 volts. Now we have to do for over voltage. First we will do with over voltage and then we will do with under voltage. So over voltage we had set for 1.04. So 1.04 into my 220. Okay. So I will now reduce this the condition. So what is 1.04 of 220? So approximately it will be coming around 228. So I will be giving more than 228 the case over here. Okay. So any one phase I can disturb over here. Say example Y phase. So I will slightly increase in the range of 132 example. Okay. So now I will set the condition. Okay. I have switched on. Timer you can see it has been started. And the indication you can see there is a blink in the line 2. Okay, slowly. So line 2 indication is there. So now the relay has tripped. You can see OV indication is there. So time taken over here is 13.93. Okay. So this is the first case. You can see the voltage now is 229.27 is my voltage set over here. But the indication display says 234. Either of it we can have a setting value. So we stick on to this value, say 229. For the next trial we will try to increase it slightly higher now. Okay. And then we have to reset here for the next trial. Now the reset is done. I will go for the next trial. So 13.93 is the earlier case. Now we will go with the one more trial. So it is 247, it is increased on the higher side. Slightly we reduce it, okay, and we will go with the second one. So now you can see it is 238.25, the time taken is 1.85. We will go with the one more trial and see whether this reading is correct or not. So line 2 is showing indication, so now the time is 2:34, time taken is 3.1. Earlier it was 13 seconds, now it has come down to 3 seconds, okay. So more the voltage set over here, the time taken is coming down. So this experiment we call it as over voltage phenomenon, okay. On the same lines we have to do under voltage. So under voltage here we had set for 0.84 if you remember by doing the setting in the relay. So 0.84 of 220 approximately say 180 it is going to give. I will slightly reduce any one of the phase by less than 180, okay. So now we will make this back to 220, okay. So here you can see I have adjusted it to 220, okay, and all phases are in 220. Now instead of B phase I will change with R phase, okay. Earlier I had done with second one, I will do with the first one now, and this I will slightly reduce it to example say 180, around approximately like this. Whether this is the condition we will see, okay. So here you can see there is an L1 indication, means line 1 it is the showing and it has relay as tripped. So 178 is my time, and how much time it has taken is 3.26 is the time taken over here. Now I will slightly further reduce it, okay, and then go for the second trial 178. Try to remember this. So now it is 171. Now we can see earlier it is 3.8, now it has come to 2.8. Now time has come down, okay. This is called as definite minimum time characteristics. So inverse time characteristics over here, if you plot the characteristics, okay, so voltage with respect to the time, so we will be getting the characteristics of the microprocessor for over and under voltage relay, okay. Hope you all understand the experiment. Thank you.